He was our physics PGT. Is Anjali ma'am. She was our HM. Now she
was my maths teacher. His name was Mr. BVD Rosario.
Teacher who was my English teacher also, and taught us social science was Mrs. Morris.
English teacher very much. The teacher
was Mrs. Lee. She taught us geography.
is Vandita Madhuhasini Arora, जिन्होंने मुझे कॉलेज में पढ़ाया था.
She is my co-teacher. Her name was Agni ma'am.
Teacher who taught us English in 10th standard was my music teacher.
Geography is a very grand and dull subject, but he used to tell it to teach us in the form of a story. And I still have very fond memories of, and even though I did not pursue geography in my college days, but I still feel like my geographical concepts are quite sound even today after so many years because of the way he taught it. It's not any very
I think I've learned so much from him. And he was one person who was a master of all trades. He was a jack of all trades. He could teach geography, he could teach history. We just loved him. And we've dedicated a complete page on Facebook on him. And I think all the students who studied from Xavier's have him as an idol. He used to, share a lot of jokes. So I remember one particular joke that he used to say. He used to recite this joke that, you all children are like, he was a Christian and he had terrible Hindi. So he used to say, all you students are like number patches, number patches. So he used to recite this joke that, there was a person standing by a well and he was saying patches, patches, patches. And then there came this fellow, he said, what are you doing? So he threw him in and said, chabbis, chabbis, chabbis. He used to recite this joke. I don't know what was the meaning and why was it done, but it was brilliant. We used to love it.
की बातें हैं, बातों में चलती खाते हैं, सुख में लूटें, दुख में भूलें, ये मित्रों की सौगातें हैं.
Encouraged a lot of unspoken English, especially on my handwriting. She used to insist upon, and she literally changed it and gave me a lot of confidence to come up on the stage and improve my spoken English.
Teach that really gave me a lot of inspiration to pursue it further, and that is the reason I chose this subject, history and geography.
Caring. And at the same time, she was very strict.
फर्स्ट ईयर में थी तो सब बच्चे मुझसे बहुत डरते थे, जितनी भी गर्ल्स हमारे कॉलेज के अंदर, क्योंकि उनको देखकर ऐसा लगता था कि बहुत डराएंगे या डांटने वाले खूंखार सॉर्ट ऑफ जैसे टीचर्स होते हैं वैसे होते थे. बट धीरे धीरे जब फर्स्ट ईयर में कॉलेज में गए तो उस टाइम एक इंटर कॉलेज कॉम्पिटिशन आया था प्लेइंग it.
The way she works, I learned a lot from her. And during my
Geography. And thanks to her, till date, my geography skills, I'm proud to say, are very strong. And she was very particular. She was very strict also with us, and she made sure that every geography period we carried our atlas with us. And that is why even like Eritrea, I know exactly when I'm telling you Eritrea, I know in which part of Africa is Eritrea.
As a child, I loved my English teacher very much. Not because she taught very well, of course she taught very well, but for initially I liked her for her dressing sense. She was young and she would dress up so nicely that all girls were equally attractive to her. And
Special about her is she carried herself very well. And the best thing about him was that he made the subject very easy for us, very interesting. And the way he used to explain the concepts was very funny. And there was not even a single student who hated the subject. And in fact, children used to bunk other periods to study extra physics with him.
And we were so awestruck by her persona and the way she used to carry herself. And that was the reason why I probably chose to teach English myself.
best teacher because, and is my best teacher because I learned so many things from her. And there's no doubt I have told her also that she was the best boss that I have ever met in my working career.
Favorite teacher would be my English teacher who taught us English in 10th standard. She was Mrs. Bhattacharya and she used to teach us English grammar. And she was such a lively teacher, and the way she taught us English, I think that has made all the difference to the language what we use today. And that is why we remember her for those small mistakes in articles, or maybe something like a plural gone wrong in the essay or in the writer. She used to be very critical about it, and every time she used to be scolding us for every small mistake we did in English. And that is why I think she has brought us to a certain level where you can write at least a paragraph or two without even thinking, without even blinking. So that is why I remember her too much, even now, because now children don't take English that much seriously on for writing part at least. So that is why I really want to thank her from the bottom of my heart, although I don't know where she is now, but I still do remember her very often whenever I write something in English, whenever I speak English.
Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Gurudev Maheshwara
Yes, ma'am, please. Please, ma'am. मैम और कोई दे नहीं दो
without my teachers. Thank you so much for making my school life such a brilliant experience. Happy Teachers Day.
It's Teachers Day. It used to be my favorite day back in school because I was closest to my teacher, and it's almost like you're the man for it. I mean, look at my I have to say it I love it. So I would only want to wish you guys a very, very happy Teachers Day. May you guys have a very rewarding teaching career because you know what, you're amazing. And we love you and we miss you.
Very happy Teachers Day. You all hold a very special place in our hearts. To present our love and gratitude, we have small surprise here. Well, it's not a surprise, but we're really sorry for the inconvenience caused Principal Ma'am Indra.